Namaste everyone, my name is Tanushree. Welcome back to this channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to practice Ujjayi Breath. Ujjayi Breath is also known as Victorious Breath, Ocean Breath, or in the West, Darth Vader Breath. It helps you improve your focus, it builds gentle heat in the body, it helps you improve the pace of your breath. What does that mean? So, if you're somebody whose breath is shallow, this practice helps you improve the pace of your breath. And most importantly, it helps you calm your nervous system down. If you've ever been to a yoga class and heard that soft, ocean like sound, that's Ujjayi Breath. And we are going to learn exactly that today, step by step. So, step onto your mat, lengthen your spine, find a comfortable seated position, roll your shoulders away, bring your chin parallel to the ground, and close your eyes. We'll start by taking a few deep breaths just to center ourselves, bring our attention, our focus on the practice. Start by taking a deep, long inhalation in through the nose and exhale it out through the nose. Inhale through the nose and exhale it out through the nose. One more time. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. Your jaw soft, your facial muscles soft. Now open your eyes and let's learn how to do Ujjayi Breath. We'll first begin with learning the exhalation on the Ujjayi Breath. And there are two tricks to it. You either consider that you're fogging up a mirror or like you're warming your hands. You know, in cold weather, we rub our palms and we do something similar. Okay. So bring your right palm or the left in front of you. Okay. Inhale through the nose and imagine now you're fogging up the mirror. Can you hear that sound? That constriction in the back of your throat? That's Ujjayi breath. But both the inhalation and exhalation in actual Ujjayi breath is through nose. We are just practicing right now. Let's do it again. Inhale through the nose and exhale it out. One more time. Inhale through the nose and fog up the mirror. Close your mouth. Now feel that constriction in the back of your throat. Okay, we'll do the same thing again, but this time we'll not open our mouth as much. Okay, let's begin. Inhale through the nose, exhale. Two more times. Inhale through the nose, exhale. One more time. Inhale. Great. Now close your eyes again and feel that constriction in the throat. Inhale and exhale normally. Just notice how you feel in your throat. Okay, open your eyes. Now, this time we will keep our mouth closed but visualize that we are fogging up the mirror. Okay, let's do it. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose but fog up the mirror. One more time. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose, but fog up the mirror. Great. Once again, close your eyes. Notice, just observe how you feel in your throat. Okay, open your eyes. Now, we are going to try to inhale with that constriction in our throat. So, close your mouth. Bring that kind of constriction in the back of your throat. Exhale. Keep visualizing that you're fogging up the mirror. Let's try it again. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Close your eyes and notice how you feel. Okay, open your eyes. Before we do the final practice, let me remind you. Ujjayi is both inhalation and exhalation through the nose. You are creating a constriction in the back of your throat. And while exhaling, you're visualizing that you're fogging up the mirror. Okay? With that, let's take 5 rounds, and I want you to notice how when you settle into the rhythm of the Ujjayi breath, it sounds like ocean waves are hitting the beach and then receding. Okay? Let's do it. Lengthen your spine one more time. Roll your shoulders away. Open your palms on your knees. We will take 5 rounds. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more such rounds. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last round. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale normally at your natural rhythm. Notice how you feel. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Namaste everyone. My name is Tanushree. I hope this practice helped you. Thank you for sharing your practice with me. I hope to see you soon on the mat next time.